Crush 5 cloves of garlic and 5 Thai chili peppers into a paste. Slice 1 large shallot. Mix together 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Stir-fry the pepper and garlic paste in hot oil. Keep stir-frying until you smell the pepper's aroma. Add the shallots and continue stir-frying. Add in 1 pound of ground pork and continue stir-frying. Smash and poach around the ground pork so it separates and cooks evenly. Stir-fry until the ground pork is fully cooked. Add in the sauce that we mixed earlier. Continue to stir fry until the sauce is well mixed in. Add in 2 cups of Thai basil. Continue stir-frying until the Thai basil is slightly wilted. Do not overcook the Thai basil. Make a crispy fried egg to top the dish. Get that wok smoking hot with enough oil for best results. No need to touch or move around the egg. Just baste the top with hot oil until crispy. Was that not easy? So yummy.